You want to start an exercise program, but wow, it can really feel overwhelming. Every kind of contraption that's out there, every kind of piece of equipment that you could buy and have at a home gym or go to a gym, or where do you start? I get that question a lot. I want to start exercise. How do I even begin a program? That's what we're going to talk about today. Welcome, I'm Sheri with Nourish Your Life, author of Go Forward, 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. I am so glad that you are here. We are in a whole season of helping you begin and stick with your healthy lifestyle. So be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell so you don't miss anything. Well, let's talk today about how you even begin. There are 3 steps. Number 1 is know your fitness personality. I went in depth on this in a previous video. I'll link that. Also, if you want the quiz that I developed for you, just shoot me an email, sheri@theveryolife.com, or message me on social media and I will be glad to get that to you. So first is know your fitness personality. In a nutshell, why is this so important? Because if you are someone who enjoys being out in nature, then setting up a time to go play ping pong inside, it's not going to work very well for you. If you are someone who you don't enjoy being outside, but you enjoy physical intensity, maybe martial arts or boxing is for you. If you enjoy competitive sports, maybe it's going to be tennis, maybe it's going to be swimming. Whatever it might be, you're going to choose those activities based on your personality, because if a friend comes to you and says, hey, I've picked up tennis, let's start doing that, but that's not you, and you go ahead and try it, you're not going to stick with it. You're not going to enjoy doing it. So fitness personality is number 1. Number 2 is it needs to be full body. I'm a firm believer in resistance training, strength training. I weight lift on a regular basis. Fully believe in it. However, this type of equipment that you see, and I'm going to do a spin real quick, hope you don't get dizzy. All of this type of equipment that is strength training related, that's not where you want to start. You're going to build it in later, but starting out, you want it to be full body movement. So walking, boxing, playing tennis, swimming, cycling, martial arts, things to get your heart rate up that are using upper body and lower body all at the same time. So strength training, yes, you do use upper body and then you use lower body, but it's not getting your heart rate up. It's not cardio activity. So first, fitness personality. Second, choose something on that list that is full body cardio type of movement. And it doesn't have to be all done at the same time. One of my clients she had a results goal of weight loss and getting off some medication, but her schedule did not allow her, 45 minutes for a walk or run, or for an hour to go to the gym and go for a swim. So what she had to do was break it up into smaller segments, but it worked. She was able to do 10 minutes, 5 minutes, 15-minute walking breaks at work, walking her dog, things like that, and she got the results that she wanted. Number 3 is the first week. After this, it's different, but the first week when you are starting an exercise program, do less than you think you can. In fact, go with half. Then you can always build, you can always add on. So first, fitness personality. Second is choose one of those activities that fits your fitness personality, but that is cardio, uses full body. And third, your first week, start with half. Let me know how this helps you. Let me know what you're going to do with this information and how it's inspiring you. I am so excited about the journey for you this year, and I am thrilled to be a part of it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Click that notification bell so you don't miss all of these videos getting you started this year in your health and wellness journey. And as always, until next time, find your path and fulfill your unique potential.